Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going to be going over how to install the Evopop GTK theme. So if you don't know what this theme is, as you can see I'm browsing the Solus project GitHub repo. So Solus used to use this theme. It hasn't really been updated in quite a while, but it's still a beautiful theme. If you want to install it, check the article in the description and it'll go over how to get it on your distribution. But in this article, we're going to be going over how to build it from source. And like I said, if you just want more in-depth of a walkthrough, check that out in the description. Anyways, to start off, make sure you install the dependencies listed in the article. And once you do that, all you need to do is use the git tool and git clone the source code. So once you've got the source code, you can just go into the Evopop GTK theme folder. After that, we can do ls, and we know all of the different files are in here. So at this point, we need to run the autogen script. Now the autogen script will go through and it will check and see if everything is there, create a usable file, a configuration, and all of that. Then we can run make, followed by sudo make install. And as you can see, all of this has gone to the installation directory. From here, we can open up our theme settings. I'm using the Cinnamon desktop environment, but this is usable on all modern GTK systems. Support is iffy depending on what you're using. Like Cinnamon doesn't have official support, so you're not going to see a shell theme here for this. Unfortunately, so I'll have to mix and match. But if you're using GNOME, it'll look great. If you're using Budgie, what it was designed for, it'll look great. It may look good on other ones as well. But to start off, I'm going to need to change my window border. And the Evopop theme is right here. And then we can also change the controls to Evopop. Where are you? And this is the Evopop theme. If we open up the file browser, we can see this is what it looks like. It also comes with the Azure theme, so Evopop Azure, which just makes the title bar a little bit more blue. And then if we change this to the Azure as well, we can see this is more blue looking. It's a basic minimal, I would say, fork of the Arc theme, except when you hover over these icons here, they look a little different. Color scheme is a little different. It's material based. It's really nice. If you like this kind of thing, you can check the article in the description and get it going yourself. Anyways, guys, this has been Derek, and I will see you in the next video.